Hi, it's Miss Parrott, and this is one of a series of videos that's going to help you practice the math that you'll need to be able to do for quiz number 3. In this, we'll be converting temperatures that are in degrees Celsius into degrees Fahrenheit using this formula. You take the degrees Celsius you're given, multiply by 9/5, and then add 32 to that to get your degrees Fahrenheit. Or you can think of it this way. If you go ahead and divide 9 by 5, so 9 divided by 5 gives you 1.8. So another way to write this formula is degrees Celsius times 1.8, then add 32 to that total to get your degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to go through 3 simple examples using both multiplying fractions and multiplying using the number 1.8. Okay, so this first one we're going to convert 32 degrees C to degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm going to take using this formula. So 32 times 9/5. Now if I'm multiplying fractions, I need to turn 32 into a fraction by putting it over 1 times 9/5. Keep that in parentheses, and I'll add 32 at the end because you got to deal with what's happening in the parentheses. Now I'm going to multiply the numerators. So 32 times 9, 288, divided by 1 times 5, because I multiply the denominators, that's 5. Add 32. I'm still dealing with what's happening in the parentheses. So 288 divided by 5 equals 57.6 plus 32. 57.6 plus 32 equals 89.6. 89.6 degrees Fahrenheit is what 32 degrees is. Or I can use this and simply do 32 degrees Celsius times 1.8. I'm going to do that first and then add 32. So clear 32 times 1.8 equals 57.6 plus 32. Again, will give us, let's just do it all in the calculator so we can see it happening in real life. 89.6 degrees Fahrenheit. There you go. There's one. Now let's do the next one. Converting 50 degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit. Setting 50 degrees up as a fraction by putting it over 1, multiplying by 9/5 in parentheses plus 32. Multiply my numerators, that's going to give me 450 over 5 times 1 is 5 plus 32. 450 divided by 5 is 90, but I'm going to just show you on the calculator because it's always good to show it in real life. All right, 90 plus 32 is 122 degrees Fahrenheit. Or this is our other way, right? So using this, we're converting 50 times 1.8 parentheses plus 32. So, right, 50 times 1.8 equals 90 plus 32. Add those together, we get 122 degrees Fahrenheit. So that's nice and warm. All right, and then this final one, colder, so convert 12 degrees C to Fahrenheit using this first one. So 12 over 1, we turn that into a fraction, times 9/5 plus 32. 12 times 9 on our calculator here, 12 times 9 equals 108 over 1 times 5 is 5. Keep that in parentheses, plus 32, so 108 divided by 5 equals 21.6 plus 32 plus 32 is 53.6 degrees Fahrenheit. And then here, again, we're looking at 12. Using this up here, so 12 degrees Celsius times 1.8 plus 32. 12 times 1.8, 21.6 plus 32, right, gives us 53.6 degrees Fahrenheit. So you can work your problems either way. Just choose which formula you're going to use and show your work. That's the most important part.